everyone, welcome to my channel Focus 360. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am going to discuss some of the MCQs of previous years which are commonly asked in exams. I have also divided this video into sections. If you have not seen the videos of previous chapters, please go and visit the description box. You will get the link there. So let's start. First is major domains. What are the major domains of Earth? Let's have a look. Major domains: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere. Now what is lithosphere? It is the solid portion of the Earth on which we live. It comprises the Earth's crust and the thin layers of soil which sustain organisms. Next is atmosphere. Atmosphere is the gaseous layer that surrounds the Earth, where oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and other gases are found. Next is hydrosphere. It includes the area covered by water bodies in the Earth. You all know that more than 71% of the Earth is covered with water, and from this portion, 97.2% is saline water found in oceans, 2.8% stored in ice sheets and underground, and only 0.03% is fresh water available for human consumption. So water should be used judiciously. Now all these three domains exist together and form a closed system which is termed as biosphere. The zone where land, water, air exist and it supports all forms of life. Let's go to the questions. First question is, which of the followings are related with lithosphere? Options: plant and insect, Earth's interior, Earth's crust, none of these. And the answer is Earth's crust. Next, why the Earth is having its own atmosphere? Options: winds, clouds, gravity, rotation of the Earth. And the answer is gravity. Next, what is the percentage of nitrogen in atmosphere of Earth? Options: 0.94, 0.03, 78.03, 85.02. And the answer is 78.03. Next question. The third most abundant gas in the atmosphere is? Options: argon, carbon dioxide, helium, hydrogen. And the answer is argon. In this image you can see that nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. It consists of 78.08%. Second most abundant gas is oxygen, which consists of 20.95%. And third most abundant gas is argon, which consists of 0.93%. Next comes continents. Let me show you the 7 continents. This part is Asia, this is Europe, this is Africa, this is North America, this is South America, this is Australia, and this is Antarctica. Now in decreasing order, if we say, Asia is the largest continent, then comes Africa, then North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. South America is located in options: Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, Eastern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere. And the answer is Western Hemisphere. Next, which mountain separates Asia from Europe? Options: Atlas, Kunlun, Ural, Alps. And the answer is Ural Mountains. Also, Atlas Mountain is in Africa. It separates the Mediterranean and Atlantic coastlines from the Sahara Desert. Kunlun mountain ranges is in Central Asia. Alps is in Europe. Next question. Identify the continent of the world having the highest percentage of area under plain. Options: Asia, North America, Europe and Oceania. And the answer is Asia. Next question. The hottest desert of the world is located in which continent? Options: Asia, Africa, Europe, South America. And the answer is Africa, and it is the Sahara Desert. Next, The largest fish exporting region of the world is options Northeast Pacific region, Northeast Atlantic region, Northwest Pacific region, Southeast Asian region. And the answer is Northeast Atlantic region. Which of the following is known as island continent? Options Antarctica, Australia, Greenland, Finland. And the answer is Australia. Next, which of the following statements are true? Statement 1. Antarctica is larger than combined area of Europe and Australia. Statement 2. The South Pole is in middle of Antarctica. Now the options are only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, none of the above. And the answer is both 1 and 2. Next question. The only continent through which Tropic of Cancer, Equator and Tropic of Capricorn passes through. Options Asia, Africa, Europe, South America. And the answer is Africa. Next question. India's permanent research station Dakshin Gangotri is located in options Indian Ocean, Himalayas, Antarctica, Arctic. Now I am not going to give this answer. For this you go and see the chapter 2 Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. There I have discussed in detail. The link is in I button here. Next question. The highest mountain peak of the world is found in options Asia, Africa, Europe, North America. And the answer is Asia. And it is the Mount Everest, which is 8,848 meters above sea level. Now here is the list of highest mountains on each continent. Asia, Mount Everest, Africa, Mount Kilimanjaro, Europe, Mount Elbrus, North America, Mount McKinley, South America, Mount Aconcagua, Australia, Mount Kosciuszko, Antarctica, Vinson Massif. Please remember the names of these mountains. Now next section is about water bodies. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Let me show you the water bodies in the map. This is Pacific Ocean. Let me show you. This side is Pacific Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. This side is Arctic Ocean and this portion is the Southern Ocean. In decreasing order, if we say Pacific Ocean is the largest, then comes the Atlantic Ocean, then Indian Ocean, then Southern Ocean, then Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest. What is isthmus? Options: mouth of a river where it joins the sea, narrow strip of water dividing two land masses, narrow strip of land joining two land masses, none. And the answer is narrow strip of land joining two land masses. Next question. The deepest trench of the ocean is found in options Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. And the answer is Pacific Ocean. And it is the Mariana Trench, which is 11,022 meters depth. Next question. The longest river of the world is options Amazon, Nile, Yangtze River, Volga. And the answer is River Nile, which is in Africa. Amazon is in South America. It is the second longest river of the world and the largest river by discharge volume of water in the world. Yangtze River is in China. It is the third longest river of the world and the longest river in Asia. Volga is in Europe. Next question. The largest river of the world is located in options Europe, North America, South America, Africa. And the answer is South America. Next question. Which of the following oceans are S-shaped? Options Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. And the answer is Atlantic Ocean is S-shaped. Next question. Which of the following oceans are circular in shape? Options: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. And the answer is Pacific Ocean. Next question. The busiest oceanic trade route in the world is in options: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. And the answer is Atlantic Ocean. It is because the coastline of the Atlantic is highly indented. Next question. Arctic Ocean is connected to Pacific Ocean with options: Labrador Sea, Greenland Sea, Bering Strait, Park Strait. And the answer is Bering Strait. Also, Arctic Ocean is connected to the Atlantic Ocean through Greenland Sea and Labrador Sea. Now, what is a strait? A strait is a narrow passage of water connecting two large water bodies. Now, you have also heard about Park Strait, which is in between. This is the Park Strait, which is between India and Sri Lanka. It connects the Bay of Bengal in the northeast with the Park Bay and with the Gulf of Mannar in the southwest. Next section is about layers of atmosphere. Hope you all are enjoying this video. In this image, you can see different layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Troposphere starts at the Earth's surface. It is the lowest part of atmosphere. All weather changes occur in this layer of atmosphere. The height at which the temperature stops decreasing is called tropopause. Second layer is stratosphere. It contains ozone, which absorbs ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Next is mesosphere and then thermosphere. Thermosphere contains gas molecules which absorb X-rays and UV rays of sun. This results in the breakup of gas molecules into positively and negatively charged particles. Hence, this layer is also called ionosphere. And above this layer is the exosphere, which contains only traces of oxygen, hydrogen. Due to lack of gravity, the gas escapes to outer space. Questions. Which is the lowest layer of atmosphere? Just now we got options: ionosphere, exosphere, troposphere, stratosphere. And the answer is troposphere. Next, where do all meteorological incidents occur? Options: stratosphere, troposphere, ionosphere, exosphere. And the answer is troposphere. Next, what is the name of the layer of the Earth closest to the Earth? Options: ionosphere, stratosphere, troposphere, exosphere. And the answer is troposphere. What is the name of the layer above Earth's surface which is located at the height of 8 km from the poles and 16 km from the equator? Options: mesosphere, atmosphere, troposphere, stratosphere. And the answer is troposphere. Which gas is found in maximum quantity in lower atmosphere? Options: hydrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen. And the answer is nitrogen. Which of the following is located at the minimum height from the Earth? Options: thermosphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, troposphere. And the answer is troposphere. You can see that there are many questions related to troposphere which are asked in exams. All these questions came in previous exams. Next question. The layer of atmosphere which reflects radio waves is options: ionosphere, troposphere, stratosphere, exosphere. And the answer is ionosphere. Next, at which height the gaseous surrounding has covered the Earth's atmosphere? Options: 100 km, 150 km, 200 km, 300 km. And the answer is 300 km. Next question. In which layer temperature increases dramatically? Options: ionosphere, exosphere, stratosphere, troposphere. And the answer is ionosphere, due to the presence of ions. Troposphere is the most warm part of the atmosphere because it is closer to the sun. It contains charged particles. It gets warm from the heat of the surface of the Earth. It produces heat. And the answer is it gets warm from the heat of the surface of the Earth. Next question. Where is ozone layer found? Options: troposphere, ionosphere, stratosphere, exosphere. And the answer is stratosphere. Next, the atmospheric layer farthest from the Earth's surface. Options: stratosphere, exosphere, ionosphere, mesosphere, and the answer is exosphere. Next, density of the Earth's atmosphere is highest in the options: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, and the answer is troposphere. Next question, a level of atmosphere which is composed partly of electrons and positive ions is called options: troposphere, ionosphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and the answer is ionosphere. Next, the air temperature rises with height in options: stratosphere, troposphere, mesosphere, tropopause, and the answer is stratosphere. Now comes the miscellaneous sections. Which of the following depletes the UV radiation on the Earth? Options: carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxygen, ozone, and the answer is ozone. Next question, who was the first woman to climb the Mount Everest? Options: Edmund Hillary, Bachendri Pal, Sherpa Tenzing, Junko Tabei, and the answer is Junko Tabei. She reached the summit on 16th May 1975. Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing were the first to climb the Mount Everest on 29th May 1953. Bachendri Pal was first Indian woman to climb the highest peak on 23rd May 1984. Next question. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through options: Myanmar, Nepal, Bangladesh, China, and the answer is Nepal. Next, which is world's longest mountain? Options: Mount Everest, Andes, Alps, Rockies, and the answer is Andes, which is in South America. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak, which is in Asia. Alps is in Europe. Rockies is in North America. Next, the ozone hole is detected in the atmosphere. Where is it located? Options: above Arctic Ocean, above Antarctica, above India, above Alaska, and the answer is above Antarctica. Now this is the end of the video. Please keep watching and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.